In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create collections on Shopify. A collection is simply a curated group of products. Think summer essentials, new arrivals, or gifts under $50. Creating one helps shoppers find related items quickly and lets you showcase products the way you want. We'll build a manual collection, which means you choose exactly which products appear in it. Start in your Shopify admin. From the left sidebar, open Products, then select Collections. This brings you to the Collections page where all existing collections live. Click Create Collection to start a new one. Give your collection a clear descriptive title. Keep it concise and customer-friendly, so it makes sense at a glance. If you want, add a description. This is optional, but it can help customers understand what's inside and can improve how your collection appears in search results. A short sentence or two is plenty. Focus on what makes the products in this collection special. Next, in the Collection Type section, choose Manual. Manual collections are perfect when you want full control over what's included and in what order, such as for seasonal campaigns or editorial spotlights. Click Save to lock in the collection and enable product selection. Now scroll to the Product section. You can search by product name or click Browse to see your catalog. Select the products you want to feature. Take a moment to confirm you're picking the exact variants or items that match the theme of the collection. You can always return later to add or remove products as your inventory or campaign changes. Set the sort order for how products should appear to customers. You can sort by price, best-selling, newest, or choose manual sorting if you want to drag and arrange products in a specific sequence. Manual sorting is great for storytelling. Put your hero product first, followed by supporting items. If you'd like, add a collection image. Click Add Image and upload a clean, high-quality photo that represents the collection. A simple, on-brand image often works best. Keep file sizes reasonable so your storefront loads quickly. When everything looks right, click Save. That's it. Your manual collection is now created and ready to use. You can come back anytime to revise the title or description, add or remove products, adjust the order, or swap the image as your marketing needs evolve. Using manual collections strategically can help highlight key products, streamline browsing, and ultimately improve conversions on your store.